Join me as I dive deep into the world of composite doors to see if they're really worth the investment. When it comes to home improvement, one of the most talked about topics is composite doors. But what makes them so special? Well, for starters, composite doors are made from a combination of materials like wood, PVC, and insulating foam, making them a durable and low-maintenance option for homeowners. Homeowners today are considering composite doors for their properties, and it's no surprise why. With the rising costs of home maintenance and energy bills, people want to know if investing in a composite door is worth the money. But there's a lingering debate. Are the benefits of composite doors really worth the cost? Some argue that composite doors are a luxury item that only benefits those who can afford them, while others claim that the benefits far outweigh the costs. One of the main concerns homeowners have is the initial cost of purchasing and installing a composite door. It's true that they're not the cheapest option on the market, but how does that initial cost compare to the benefits they provide? Another concern is that composite doors might not be necessary for every home, and that the money could be better spent on other upgrades or renovations. Then there's the question of whether composite doors are just a fleeting trend, and if they'll still be in style in 5 or 10 years. Some people also worry that composite doors are overhyped, and that they won't perform as well as they claim to. Will they really last as long as they're supposed to? Will they really improve energy efficiency and reduce noise pollution? These are all valid concerns that need to be addressed before making a decision. Composite doors are known for their durability and ability to withstand harsh weather conditions. They're also highly secure, thanks to advanced locking systems and robust materials. Additionally, composite doors are energy efficient, which can lead to significant savings on energy bills over time. And let's not forget about the aesthetic options. Composite doors come in a wide range of styles and colors to suit any home's exterior. However, one potential drawback is that they can be heavy, which may require additional support or modifications to the door frame. While composite doors do have their benefits, they're not perfect. Some homeowners have reported issues with the doors warping or cracking over time, which can compromise their performance. There's also the possibility of damage to the door's surface, which can be difficult to repair. But are these drawbacks significant enough to outweigh the benefits? So what do the experts say? Many door manufacturers and home improvement specialists agree that the benefits of composite doors far outweigh the costs. In fact, some homeowners have reported saving hundreds of dollars on energy bills alone. And as for the durability, many composite doors come with extended warranties or guarantees, giving homeowners peace of mind. But don't just take their word for it. Let's hear from some homeowners who've made the switch to composite doors. They've reported improved security, reduced noise pollution, and even increased curb appeal. In conclusion, the benefits of composite doors do justify their cost. While they may not be the cheapest option, the long-term savings and benefits far outweigh the initial investment. By understanding the cost versus benefits of composite doors, homeowners can make an informed decision that suits their needs and budget. So, what's your take on composite doors? Have you made the switch, or are you considering it? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're interested in learning more about home improvement, be sure to check out our next video on bifold doors.